Hi my friend, welcome. It's Will here over at Pips and Gains, back again with another weekly trading setup video. Today we're going to be looking at the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen for a possible sell setup for the week ahead. So before we get into the video and into the charts, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, simply hit the subscribe button now below. And let's get into the possible trade setup on the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. So I'll hide my face here and we'll head over to the Trading View charts. So also before we get started, make sure you head over to Trading View and you follow me on Trading View. The FX Ace. You will be able to find the link below in the description area where you can head over and you can get access to my TRFX King indicator, absolutely free to use as you please on the TradingView platform, but you will need to be following me and you will need to follow the link below to get the instructions on how to get the indicator absolutely free. So let's get into the setup. If you're new to my channel, I like to take a top-down approach to the markets. I look for possible support and resistance, supply and demand areas on the higher time frame charts and use the lower time frames to get into the market. And I also use my TRFX indicator to get into the market. Also, you will see a lot of posts on TradingView here where I use the indicator for entries throughout the week, where I post trading setups and outside that. So let's head into the charts here. First off, marking the areas on the chart, we can see here pretty clearly that this is a nice monthly supply sell zone. The market has been, the monthly charts, moving its way up slowly to this area. You see, as we're approaching this area, the market does start to get very choppy here. Then we get this push up. Last week we also got the push up in the touch of this, the start of this level here. So what is next? I do suspect a retracement here. Short term could end up going up higher. Longer term, we will see what happens at the end of the month, but short term in the week ahead, I expect a retracement down. And so let's head to the weekly charts next. So likely areas where we could be heading this week for a sell setup. Target on the area over the next period is two areas really. This area, which is the leg up that caused the new high, and also this high here. It's the last swing high. We've already got a test off that, but again, if you look at the weekly charts here, we've had long-legged doji, hammer, inverted hammer, and a doji here, or you could even call that a spinning top. Three kind of bearish candles telling us that a retracement is likely on the cards. If we zoom out a little, now what we want to do, we just don't want to sell blindly here. We want to go into the lower time frames, but possibly get a good area to sell back into this move down. That limits our risk, maximizes our reward, because once this moves, we could get a move down to 86 for an easy target, or an even deeper retracement down towards 84. So like the paths here, down in this level here. This could all happen towards the end of before the end of the month, before we get the BOJ meeting this month. This could just be a retracement for buyers to corrective move to get back into the upside, but I do expect this to sell off over the next week or two before that meeting. If we look at the daily charts here, Last week we did get this push up. In the last 3 days of the week we got the sell off. What I want to see happen next week, early next week, is on the charts. Is a retracement back up here, then the sell off. So what I will be waiting for is price to retrace back up towards 89. Then I will be using my TRFX indicator at this level on the 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 1-hour chart for sell signals inside this area, at this area. So I'll be waiting for it to come back up this around 89, and then waiting for a sell signal from the indicator to get into the market. So as if price continues to go above it, any sell signal above 88,900, I'll be looking to sell the market to head downwards. Now the stop loss, again, when I'm doing my weekly swing trades, my maximum stop loss is 130 pips. So no matter where I am entering here, my stop loss will be 130 pips. That's always the way I trade. My target, okay, the target for this, the first easy target next week should be, if we just remove all the drawings again, head over to the weekly charts. So the daily probably gives a better target here. Now I'll be liking this area here, 87 for a first easy target. So that's the previous high in the daily trend. Okay, the swing high. It's already give it one touch off that. There wasn't much reaction from it. You see there wasn't much momentum on this move up here. It just got very choppy after this bounce from this level, again indicating possible reversal. So this week, wait for a retracement back up. Look for a sell signal on the TRFX indicator above 88,900 from the anywhere from the 4-hour, 6-hour, 4-hour, just in the kind of lower time frames. First target is 87, but again this could just break down. Another target for this would be this high here at 85. So look for the retracement back up, wait for the signal, and then sell. Okay. And that is the setup. Personally, I like to have all my trades closed by the end of the trading week and to start each week fresh. You can hold on to this, but I would not be holding on to this too long before I would be getting out of this position before the BOJ meeting at the end of the month. So that is the trading idea. Again, we're not going to enter blindly, wait for the pullback and then wait for our indicator to give the signal to enter downwards. So that's the trading idea. I will just show my face again. It's a great setup. To access the indicator, absolutely free. Just simply follow the link below. Make sure you're following me on TradingView. Follow that link, follow the instructions, which is simply just sending me an email with your TradingView ID. Make sure you're following me on TradingView, and I'll be able to add the indicator to your invite only account. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button now to stay up to date with all my new trading setup videos, trading educational videos that will be coming in the future. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you on the next video. Have a fantastic trading week. Will here over at Pips and Gains.